Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily challenge of 30 May 2021. Here this is the sorted row, alphabet and integer matrix. The program must accept a matrix of R class C as an input. Each row contains a lowercase alphabet and a C-1 integer. The program must sort the rows of the matrix based on the lowercase alphabet. If there are two or more having the same lower alphabet, then the program must sort those rows in a reverse order of their occurrence. Finally, the program must print the modified matrix as output. Here, the thing that we have to do is we will get at least only one character for each and every rows. Here what we have is D, here B, C and A and then B. What we have to do is just we have to sort the values. Here this should be first and we have B here and there, but we have to sort the same level character in a reverse order of their occurrence, right? So this should be 2, this should be 3 and this should be 4, this should be 5, which is nothing but the last. The modified output will be 39, 96 something, 52, 68 something, C something, no 70B something, then C, then finally 27, 24. Likewise we have to sort for this also. Here we have Z, XZ, X, Y and again X. We have to sort this X in a reverse order first. So this should be 1, this should be 2, this should be 3, this should be the last 5, this should be the 4th, right? How we are doing this? We are just sorting those value in a reverse order and then we are reversing the first we are reversing according to the character, then we are totally reversing the list so we can get the proper output. Let's see in a programmatical way. Here first R comma C, map of in comma input. Those things are space separated, so I'm going to split and then 5 cross 6 matrix, 5 row 6 column. Here this is the list equal to input dot split for I in range of R, and I'm passing the list here, and then we have to sort according to the character, right? So for that I'm just segregating the characters. For I in range of R, temp equal to I for I in for J in J, for J in list of 5 if J dot is alphabet, and then modify list of 5 equal to temp plus list of I, print list comma sep equal to new line so you can get what just happened. Here all the characters are added at the first index, right? So we can easily sort those values. Now I am sorting the value. List equal to sorted of list, comma, key equal to lambda x is to x of 0. Here this is the 0th position, so we can get the sorted value according to the character, right? And then reverse equal to true. Because first I am going to sort these values in a descending order. Here all the values are sorted and the occurrence also sorted. First we got A, and then this B, and then this B. This is how we have to get the values, right? So if I just reverse this value, we'll get the proper sorted value. Here A, B, B, C and D, and this is the last occurred B and this is the first occurred B. With the single sorting we got the proper values. For that what we have to do is print of star of 5, and this should be from first index because we don't need this added character, right? For I in list of reverse. If I do that, we get the proper output 39, 52, 70, C 27. That's it guys. We'll see that in a proper format now. First R, comma C, split list equal to input dot split range of R, and then we have to modify the list for in range of R, temp equal to the character kj for j in list of I if j dot is alphabet. I am the alpha, and then modify the list with the customized format. Finally list equal to sorted of what list with the key value lambda x is to x of 0, reverse equal to true. Here this is what this is true, and then finally print the list in the required format. For a list, if I run this program, we'll get the required output. For that I'm just copying the sample inputs, $20, $23, $64, Y11. That's the output we should get from this, and we also got it $20, $23, $64, Y11. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here's the code for you. We'll see you soon with something else in tomorrow's DC. Bye, guys.